Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Outlook and going straight to the account settings. This is where changes are controlled. Tap your profile icon, then the gear for settings, and choose the specific account. You need your current password to authenticate so the app can verify you. Without it, the server won't allow a change. Once done, prepare any verification methods: email, SMS, or authenticator, because some accounts require a second factor before you can proceed to update credentials. Next, go to Manage Account or Account Settings for that email entry. This directs you to the password change option or to the provider's security page. You'll be asked to enter the current password so the service confirms your identity, then type the new password twice to avoid typos. Use a strong passphrase, longer, mixed characters, to reduce risk. Make sure to sync and save changes if Outlook redirects you. Follow the provider prompts, because the server handles the credential update. Finally, save the new password and let Outlook sync. The app may ask you to re-enter credentials for verification, so do that right away. Make sure to update the password on your other devices and any apps that use this account, because stale credentials cause repeated failures. If sign-in fails, check two-factor prompts and ensure the server accepted the change. Often you must complete a provider reset page. For persistent issues, use the provider's password reset flow and then return to Outlook to add the updated credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.